Good afternoon to all my awesome friends and family. I am joining in on this awesome Tablescape Under the Sea Tablescape 20. And this is with Kale. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. An awesome channel, and she does awesome tablescapes, DIY, shopping hauls, and does all kinds of different things on her channel. I know you will not get bored with it. She has so many interesting things on her channel. Even does a little bit of cooking and decorating, how to do a fancy dinner. Love her channel. And then, of course, we have my new family DIYs. Beautiful channel. I just joined them. I've never actually been on this channel before, and it looks like another awesome creative channel. And they did an awesome job on this tablescape. I hope you go over and check it out. I can't believe that I haven't been following her all along. Such an awesome channel. Know you're going to love it. She has so many awesome things on it. Don't forget to go check that new channel out. And of course, at Penny's Place. I've been following her for a long time. Another awesome channel. Please go over and check her channel out too. If you're not already following, please go check all the people that joined in on this Under the Sea Tablescape collab. It was awesome. Everyone did such a beautiful job. I know you will not be sorry that you did go over and check them all out. They're so beautifully put together, and they're all different. I couldn't believe all the creative things they did. And then, of course, we have Renner Lives Luxury by M. Awesome channel. You need to go check her out. Now, I've been following her a long time too, and she does beautiful things on her channel. Beautiful tablescapes, DIY, some cooking. Everything is so creative on it. This ocean under the sea video she did was just beautiful. I loved everything about it. So colorful. She put a lot of time and effort into it. Please go over and check all these awesome channels out. I know you will not be sorry that you did. Here is mine. Under the Sea Tablescape. And here we are, a little mermaid jumping out of the water. Is she not beautiful? Look at those beautiful eyes. And see her jumping right out of, and her little friend came with her. We have this cute mermaid house, and it says Mermaid Manor. I had them for a couple of years, so if you go back and look in past fairy gardens, you'll see them. All the beautiful shells came from my granddaughter's wedding a couple of years ago, and when she was done with them, she gave them all to me because she knows I love doing tablescapes, and I also do a lot of under the sea fairy gardens in my channel. This container, glass container, is 3 tiers, and I've had that a couple of years, and another granddaughter gave it to me. So that was free. The mermaid was free. The only thing that is an expense that we did on this is we got a placemat at $1.25 a piece, so that's $2.50, and it was so it's $2.50 for the placemats, and the little plates were $3, and the bigger ones were $4. So what would that be? 3 let 3 and 4 is $7, and another $1.50 made it like $8.50 for this table. Well, it'd be $16 for the tablescape because we had to double it. Silverware I already had, the tablecloth I already had, the glasses I already had, and all the decor and the centerpiece were things I already had too. And this beautiful seahorse, one of my followers gave it to me 3 or 4 years ago, so it isn't even new, and it's been in past posts too. And the little piece of wood that you see, I got that on a hiking trip lately. There was no cost for that. And the pretty little piece here came from a prior purchase a couple of years ago. So this was about $14 or $15 for this tablescape, and the only thing that is new is the actual plates and the placemats. Hope you enjoyed this under the sea tablescape. As you see, I had a little mermaid that I added, and a little mermaid manor, and I thought it turned out pretty nice. What do you think? My channel is designed for adults interested in gardening, home decor, cooking, cleaning, DIY projects, and anything else Grandma can come up with. Hope you enjoyed this. Love putting it together, and thanks to all those awesome creators that put this on.